5 to the power x is equal to 30. Now I describe what is the value of x. First of all, 5 to the power x is equal to 30. Sorry, 3 times 5 times 6. Now log 5 to the power x is equal to log of 5 times 6. Now x convert to the base, x log 5 is equal to log 5 plus log 6. Divided by log 5 divided by log 5. Log 5 will be cancelled. X is equal to log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 6 over log 5. Log 5 will be cancelled. X is equal to 1 plus log 6 over log 5. X is equal to 1 plus log 6 base of 5. This is the value of x. Answer. How to solve a to the power 196 plus a to the power 196 is equal to what? At first we take common a to the power 96, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now a to the power 196 is same as 2 to the power 3 bracket for 196 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Then 2 to the power 3 times 196, that means 588 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 588 plus 1, that means 589. So 2 to the power 589 is the correct answer.